Welcome to Family Tour Review. Hey, Jin, let's open this up, huh? And I chose this car to open here because it's got a star here, just like the Filipino flag, huh? Philippine flag has a star. Only one of these is the older vehicle, and there's this guy. His name is Darren Leadfoot, and he races for Shiny Wax. That's his sponsor. He's number 82, and he eventually retires, and he gets replaced by a next-gen racer, Conrad Kambler. One day, Darren Leadfoot was racing along. He was flanked by Herb Karbler. And on the other side, he was flanked by Chase Racelot. But they couldn't beat Darren Leadfoot, he was too fast. So what they did was they went around him. And again, but Darren Leadfoot was just too fast. But then Chase Racelot and Herb Karbler, they did one last power smash. And oh no, something's happening now. And they all combined, and they became, they became Conrad Kambler. Awesome. All three green vehicles, they fusioned into one vehicle, and they became Conrad Kambler. Awesome, wow, sweet. Too fast! He went super fast! Conrad Kambler went way too fast! Whoa! I'm going too fast! I'm getting dizzy! And then he crashed! Whoa! He crashed into the wall! Conrad Kambler crashed! And then his buddies said, "Hey, I think Conrad Kambler crashed! We need some help! Somebody help him! Help! And then the Lego construction vehicles came to save Conrad Kambler.
And when he's gonna scoop him up.
Scoop him up?
And he's gonna flip him on.
Flip him. Okay. Forky keeps breaking apart, right?
Yeah, and then he's putting him to safety right there.
Alright. Thanks for helping me out with JJ and the construction guys. I was feeling a little bit dizzy. I feel a little bit better now. And I'm ready to race again. Lightning McQueen is my hero. That's why I say ka-chow. Welcome to Family Tour Review. What we have here, we've got a Conrad Kambler. But first, we're at Big Boy. And we got some Filipino food. Salamat. Thank you very much. Hey, Jin, let's open this up, huh? I chose this car to open here because it's got a star here, just like the Filipino flag, huh? Philippine flag has a star. Here we go, Conrad Kambler. Oh, I'm so full. Oh, this food we ate. Hey guys, here's our collection of green Disney Cars vehicles. Only one of these is the older vehicle, and there's this guy. His name is Darren Leadfoot, and he races for Shiny Wax. That's his sponsor. He's number 82, and he eventually retires, and he gets replaced by a next-gen racer, Conrad Kambler, who's also number 82 Shiny Wax. And let's compare the two. Conrad Kambler looks very cool. He's got the gradient green from the light green to the dark green, which is a very cool kind of design. And then on top of that, they have the gold stars around his body. Coincidentally, this is kind of similar to the Philippine flag, or they have a big gold star, and if he was just a red or blue color, then he'd be a pretty cool Philippine vehicle. The older one does not have any stars, but he does have some kind of lines here. So those are different kind of lines, and this one has more sharp lines. So this is that, and then we have here, this is not Conrad Kambler. This is Herb, I think this is Herb Kerbler, and he races for four-wheel drive. Here, and he's kind of similar to to Conrad Kambler in that he's green, and he's got some, looks like, well, actually he does not have gold. He's got some yellow and green going on. And we have here Chase Racelot. He's a different kind of green. Also looks very cool. So they're all different vehicles. Now, the next gen racers, they all have different body shapes. Not too many variation, but there's one where there's curvy bodies, like Chase Racelot, big curve here. And then they have ones where it's just more of a rectangle body, like these two guys. And so Conrad Kambler, he's of the type that has the more rectangular body, but his spoiler is almost similar to Chase Racelot, except it's got a little bit more coming out the back here. Definitely different from our Kerbler. And there you go. Those are our 4 green Disney Cars vehicles. This is the one that replaces Darren Leadfoot right here. Alright, in future videos we're going to be opening up Blind Spot and this cool new Bobby Swift Metallic. Now Bobby Swift, I don't care too much for the actual vehicle, but the metallic one looks very nice. So gotta check that out.